Guten Tag, Konnichiwa, Annyeonghaseyo, Ni hao, Bonjour, Buongiorno, Ciao, Hola, Hello, and welcome to BC Weapons International. I'm BC, and this is my channel, where we will be discussing weapons, the market, the industry, both past and present, and anything Weapons International. Now, I am not sponsored by any company or business, and I believe that's very important because I spend my own money to see what the buyer actually gets. And that's really a focus that this channel is going to be about, because so often companies will cherry pick the best piece and send it out to a reviewer knowing that they're going to get a good review. And then when a buyer comes along and buys the same piece or another piece from that company, the piece that the buyer gets is actually quite different. And it's important that the same quality that a reviewer gets, the buyer receives as well. Because we're spending our own money on this. And these pieces are getting more and more expensive by the day. So, now this channel will also show how these weapons are being used. And I'm not a master swordsman, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, but also how well a beginner is able to use these weapons, how they come in the state, and if there is any aftermarket work that has to be done to improve them to the point to where they are usable for the buyer and the backyard cutter. Collectors that just collecting not for use, that's fine, but what this channel really is going to be about is usable pieces. We will be destroying some, but mostly this is a showcase and a review just on the state of the industry and what the buyer receives. We will be showcasing weapons, all types of weapons from all different cultures and all around the world, discussing history and anything else you or I may want to discuss. Now, I hope you will join me on this channel and we can have a fun time discussing all things Weapons International here on BC Weapons International. Stay aware out there.